welcome back to Lakshmi's Beauty Corner, and I'm Lakshmi Priya here. So I hope you all are safe, and today I have a brand new segment, and it's called Friends. Drum roll, please, and it's creative clay modeling. So, friends, in this new segment, I'm going to be putting videos out there with tutorials on how you can do creative clay modeling, and also I will be picking a team for each day. And please remember that I'll be doing this until August 31st. And if I see more increase in these videos, I will be continuing for sure. Okay, friends, for that you need to share my videos. That's So, friends, what about let's do a subscribe challenge. Okay, friends, are you ready for that? You just have to click that. There's no seconds for you all, friends. So you guys have to subscribe and click that bell button. Did you do it? I'm waiting. I see that you have did that. If you have did that, give yourself a pat on the back. So the Play-Doh, I'm using Play-Doh, which is a clay. And you can also use any other clay. I got this Play-Doh from a flower maker set, and it was gifted to my brother, but he is not actually using. So that's why I thought I could put use to it, and I also could show you how to make it. And if you do not have that much clay or Play-Doh, you can just use the normal clay, any sort of 24 rupees clay or anything. So here is the animation I made for you guys. So friends, now let's get into the video. But before that, I'm going to be laying out some wax paper. And friends, as you may see, why it may look a little transparent is that I have spread oil on it so that it doesn't stick to it, because I have experimented it before, and wax paper with normal clay doesn't just go well, so you have to have oil on that surface. And the first one we're going to be making is,
and if it's a non-sticky clay,
I'll tell you in a minute,
make
but
sure it's
before that,
friends
you
too.
could
And
also
don't
oil
mind
your
my
hands
camera,
so that it
tripod,
doesn't
that
stick
legs,
you.
because I can't do
And
anything about
if
it.
it's a non,
And make sure you also wash your hands, friends, because you may have some dirt in your hands and you do not want that to enter in your clay. And also do wash your hands after using clay too. Now as you see, there's so many petals I have done here, right here. There you go, layer them. Now I'm taking this yellow clay right here, as you see, and I'm just spreading it on there. And now I'm just going to be poking them or picking them with a toothpick to give it some texture and also look like it has pores. And now as you see, I even added a texture in between the petals, with like a lined texture, as you can see. And there it is, friends. Voila! Now this is going to be the easiest red flower we make here. It just as simple patterns there. We are going to be using a red clay, and it's going to be super simple, and also yellow. And so friends, what you have here is you have to take little balls of clay, and you have to make the normal petal we made earlier. And now there you go. Now we just need to assemble them or stick them together, whatever you like to say. Now I'm going to be taking some yellow clay, and I'm going to be spreading it out there. And as you see, the shape is oval, and since I wanted it to be oval, that's why it's oval. Then you just have to poke it with the toothpick or any sharp object that is pointed to.
So you get a texture and also it looks like it has spores. And also I'm doing the texture for the flower petals. So there is each line on each petal. Finally, friends, it's done. The last but not least, my favorite, it's the rose, friends. And it's super simple to make, friends. It's actually not impossible at all. So, for this, you'll take some red clay and you're just going to do like bits of clay. You just need to dare some clay. See, now you just need to roll them into balls. And now you need to press them to make it into a circle. And if you do not, it's super okay to not have a imperfect, to have a imperfect circle. It's super okay. Now if you do not want to do it with your hands, you could take a rolling pin. In India it's used to making roll chapatis. And what about Italian? They make pizzas with that, right? Same. And you can also use any sort of stick that is kind of cylindrical. And you can just press with a finger and a palm too. Now there it is. For the bud, you just need to roll one bit of clay like that. There you go. And now just stick it to all the other petals. And it's okay if one's bigger than the other. It's totally okay, friends. Just it gives some natural look to it. Now just I'm going to add some more petals and it's going to look super beautiful. Don't worry about the back. It's super okay. And now we are going to make the leaf. As you know, yellow plus green is yellow plus blue, is green. And if you want a lighter green, you could just make a little bit of blue and a big amount of yellow. Now I'm just adding it some texture or pointiness at all those sides, in normally rose leaf would have. See, friends, tada! Adding even a line at the middle. Now for the next leaf, which is also a normal simple leaf, and you just need to give it textures with a toothpick or a pointed object or whatever you have at your home, friends. And as you see, I have did had give it some super cool texture. Now we just need to assemble them. Ta-da! As you see, these are super simple to make and easy to. Friends, if you like my video, please share and comment on them. And also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll see you tomorrow with some more interesting flower ideas, friends. Bye, friends. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.